Wall art makes me feel more involved with the school, as I really enjoy looking at different scenes going on in our school.
I think it's good to have wall art at our school because it helps inspire students to become more confident in what they want to do when they grow up.
It feels really inspiring and, helps me realise what I'm really working towards.
We've found over the years we've developed a very close relationship with Promote Your School. They just seem to know now exactly what we want.
It's a welcoming place. We want our students to want to be here rather than have to be here.
It creates a real sense of aspiration within the area, that you've got all of this colour. It's quite clear that the school's really heavily invested.
We're blessed with an absolutely beautiful building, and it was trying to find ways to enhance that space and the children's experience even further. We've been delighted with all of the work that we've had with Promote Your School and all of the wall art they've put up in our buildings. Actually, I've recommended wall art to a number of other schools locally and other people that I know, and they've all gone to Promote Your School and they've been equally delighted with the results that they've had. I think the longer we work together, actually, the closer the relationship has been. Quality of what we're able to put up on the walls, I think, in my opinion, has improved each time we've put a new piece of wall art up.
There's one word. Every time we have a new piece of wall art installed, the reaction from students, from staff, from visitors is always, wow.
The first day in September when children come back after a summer and we've had wall art installed, there's always that kind of drop jaw moment that the children have when they first kind of look up and they see one of the spaces that have been done, and it's fantastic, and it creates a real buzz.
It just creates that curiosity and interest and excitement that you want them to have.
One of the unintended benefits of the wall art has been just our maintenance team are so delighted.
We can all go back to those old-fashioned display boards where our teachers and our teaching assistants would invest huge amounts of time cutting and sticking, and almost the minute that display went up, it was outdated or starting to look tatty.
This has led to kind of a reduction in our painting costs, and actually we were then able to use that money to invest in further wall art.
So what we're actually finding now is we have the most professional learning environment, and actually teachers and teaching assistants have that time back in the classrooms with the children, which is where they should be.
I can assure you one of the things that's happened is that the different subject leads have always come to me asking when are we going to be done next, when it's going to be our turn. And we're very close now to all of the subject areas having been completed across the school.
We recently had an Ofsted inspection, and one of the comments that an inspector made was, what an inspirational learning environment you have at this school, and the wall art for us is an integral part of that. A prospective student recently described TA when looking up at the giant giraffe. This school is like a learning palace.
It's somewhere they spend a significant part of their lives, and if you're spending a significant part of your life somewhere, it's really nice to have that as an inspiring and enjoyable place to be.
It makes me feel inspired to just do what I want to do in the future. There's so many things to look at and so many things to see, and it just brightens up the school in so many different ways.
And to not give up with what I want to do in my life, because I'll eventually realise that it really does pay off.
It makes me feel grateful that we have access to all of the things that we do.
It makes me feel inspired as it helps me think about what I want to be.